Hello and welcome to Henry channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to get your USB-C working for any Acer laptop. Yes guys, so the problem is with this USB-C. When this is inserted, it does not detect. So let me show you. I've got my device connected on the other end. So as you can see, normally a pop-up message will show up here, but there's nothing showing. So let me click. As you can see, there's no icon to say that anything's plugged in. So guys, this is what you need to do. Remove this USB-C cable, switch off your laptop, turn it off. So go to start and then power, here, shut down. Now what you need to do is turn the laptop on the back. You will see a small pinhole. So with a needle thread, anything similar to this, you need to insert it for 30 seconds. So push down and wait and count in your mind for 30 seconds and then let go. I will start to forward this video to save time. After 30 seconds, let go. And then now it's time to test whether USB-C is working or not. For the second time now, I will insert USB-C cable. As mentioned, the device is connected on the other end. So let's see what happens now. On the right side of the taskbar, I will go here. As you can see, there's an icon to say that the device is plugged in. Before, it did not show this, and now it's showing that my device is connected via USB-C. Please like and subscribe.